Want to see how I sharpen drill bits? Drill doctor. I got a dull one right in here. Not bad. Oh, shit. Take it out. Put it in this. It's a collet. Adjustable collet. You can stick it in there. Tighten it up to where it's just holding it, but you can still move it. And this has two little fingers, they clamp it. You push that down to open them fingers up. And get this lined up with the mark right there. It's 118. And then once you got that lined up, you let this go and these fingers hold it. And that gives you the right angle. So this should grind nice now. Then you put it in here. This is like a cam. It goes up and down. So it's not grinding so hard anymore. And easy sharp. Yeah, that's pretty sharp. You know, a bunch of old machinists, they just go up to the grinder, zip, 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 and sharpens. But I'd rather do it this way. There we go. Just like a hot knife through butter. This piece of steel is like 3/8 of an inch. It's a height adjustment for a rototiller. That was easy enough. This thing does them all the way up from, I think it's like a 1/16 of an inch to a 1/2 inch. Yeah, you can see that collet. It's adjustable. Alrighty, that's all.